Now, how many squares fit inside this region? Okay. Now, this region is what's known as a trapezoid. In a trapezoid, you'll have a base here, you'll have a base here, and the bases won't be the same. Okay. The two bases are parallel to each other, and they're separated by the height. Okay. Notice this side and this side, they're not bases and they're not the height. If you meet that, if you keep going on that side there and you keep going on this side here, you'll trap something up here. They'll cross, won't you? So since they trap something, we call it a trapezoid. Okay? Anyway, the two bases are parallel to each other, separated by a height. We'll call this the second base and this the first base. Okay? Now, what do you do when you have two bases? Remember, the area is the base times the height. What if you have two bases? Well, I would say average them together. How do you average two bases? Well, you add them up and you divide it by 2. Okay, so the area, you're going to add the bases, and then you're going to you either divide by 2 or take half of that sum. And this will be the average size of the base times the height. It's still the base, it's just the average of the two bases times the height. Now, what if you have 6 inches for one, 4 inches for the other, and the height is 3 inches? Well, you have 4 inches plus 6 inches. You're going to add those together, then take half of it. Then you'll have your average size of the base times the height. Let's copy that up here. And let's go ahead and do that. Add these two. Okay, take half of that. Half of 10 is 5. When you multiply the average base times the height, you get 15 square inches. So 15 inches, 15 of those squares will be inside this figure right here.